Florida Gulf Coast University has a program like this so our students could have experiential learning. As part of our standard operating procedures, I train the students here at FGCU at our Buckingham Environmental Forensics Facility, where we simulate crime scenes.
We've modeled real-world scenarios in a controlled environment so that they can see this theory and textbooks come into practice in real time.
That part of the debate that happens about science and the process is what makes it a very rich learning environment. Our program at FGCU is unique because we are doing active casework. I was called out to Lake Worth on behalf of the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office to evaluate human remains.
When Dr. Walsh-Haney is called upon by law enforcement, we're actually able to respond to those scenes alongside her under her supervision.
I have undergrads here with me today who I trust and I know I can trust and who have a skill set that allow us to work quickly and efficiently and transparently.
We were able to assist, and it was eye-opening, to see forensic anthropology and how we can actually benefit the community.
And for our process, once it comes to the laboratory, we are X-raying or radiographing those remains. All the remains are labeled. Every remain is measured. We have 3D scanners. We use radiography. We have dental radiography. And indeed, the space that I'm talking to you from right now is a dream of a laboratory that allows science and criminal justice to come together.
This experience has shown me my true passion in forensic anthropology.
I want my students to go out and to be parts of crime scenes in medical examiners' offices or be forensic anthropologists and to be able to run a scene like that. How we can raise the level of hands-on learning with students and have them have deeper learning that they can call upon when they're out in the real world. The work and the teaching, the experiential learning that happens at FGCU, and particularly in our Human Identity and Trauma Analysis program within forensic studies, is keeping a pipeline open, and it's increasing the footprint of FGCU.